Hi guys, Peter Not Your Average Guy here with a channel announcement. Because I've been working for a month on a project, and due to circumstances that are out of my control, the whole project was cancelled / delayed. I plan to have like 10 to 15 videos of this, and that's the reason why I don't have anything right now. So I'm looking into whether I can still save some of it, or summer break is going to be early this year, and probably incidentally I will have another video like this or that, but I can't keep up the pace that I had before because so many videos were kind of lost. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you details about it yet. I may go on a holiday anytime soon, but it will take time before the videos will be ready to get published. So I hope you understand. That's the reason why it took a while, and there won't be any other anytime soon either. So be it. Still, you got a chance to go out and fly yourself, of course. So see you anytime soon. Bye.